Good morning, students. Now we will learn the next topic is electric power. When you were in class 9, there you have learned about the mechanical power. The mechanical power was also defined as the work done per unit time. But here we are learning the chapter electricity. So here we will define the electrical power. So electrical power is defined as the rate of doing work by the source of EMF in maintaining a current in the circuit. Okay. So who is doing the work? Battery is doing the work. And why it is doing the work? To maintain a current in the circuit. So how speedily that work is done, that is defined as electric power. What is the SI unit of power? The SI unit of power is watt. And how we will define that watt? So here power 1 watt. And work done, the SI unit of work done is 1 joule. And the SI unit of time is 1 second. So the power of an electrical appliance is said to be 1 watt when a 1 joule of work is done by the battery in maintaining a current for 1 second. Actually, watt is a very smaller unit. So that is why some bigger units are also used, such as kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, and 1 megawatt is equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. In the thermal and nuclear power plants, there we have learned that energy produced by that plant is in terms of megawatt, which is a very larger unit. Okay. So in the previous lecture you have learned about the heating effect of the current. So there what you have done, you have learned some formula of the heating effect of the current, such as H is equal to, that work done was converted into heat. So that work done was I square R into T. So if we will put work done upon time, so this is the said to be electrical power, and I square R. So this is the one of the formula of the electrical power. Secondly, work done is, how much was it? Work done is charge into potential. So if we will put charge is equal to I into T into V. In place of charge we have placed, we know that I is equal to Q upon T. So Q is equal to I into T. So work done per unit time, so it is said to be how much? VI. So this is the second formula of electrical power. One more formula is also there for the electrical power. Let us see what it is. So work done is equal to I square RT. This thing we have learned earlier. This is the Joule heating. So in place of I, if we will replace I is equal to V upon R, that is from the Ohm's law. So we will get V square upon R square into R into T. So the 1 R resistance will get cancelled, and this is V square upon R into T. So work done. So work done upon time. This is the power, and this is the third formula for the electrical power. Okay. Now here you should know that Joule is a very small unit. Joule is very smaller unit. So what we are doing in the commercial scale, we are using some bigger units such as kilowatt hour. See here, kilowatt means the something power, and hour means something time. So it is a kind of work done, and we know that SI unit of work done is the joule. So the power of an electrical appliance is said to be 1 kilowatt when it is running for 1 hour. That is, 1 kilowatt hour is defined as power of an electrical appliance. If an electrical appliance has a power of 1 kilowatt, and if it is running for 1 hour, then how much energy it is consuming? If 1 घंटे में चलने अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस एक 1000 वाट का है, अगर 1 घंटे चलेगा तो वो कितना एनर्जी कंज्यूम करेगा, दैट इज सेड टू बी किलोवाट आवर. सो 1 किलोवाट इज 1000 watt into 1 hour is how much? 60 into 60 second. So 1000 watt. Watt is defined as joule upon second. 60 into 60. So second get cancelled. So it is how much? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 joule. And 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This is also a very important conversion, that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Remember that in the domestical electrical appliance, 1 kilowatt hour is said to be 1 unit. In the electricity bill, 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, thank you.